In this tutorial, I'm going to talk you through the purchasing and refunds process. Each BOFA website has its own shop where you can buy subscriptions to the different products we offer. You can move the sliders to choose your purchase and then proceed to the payment process. For the ISEB Common Pretest and London 11 Plus Consortium sites, you will purchase test packs rather than subscriptions, but the shops work in a very similar way. As a parent, you can buy for up to 3 pupils on a monthly or fixed term basis. If you are a school or tutoring centre buying for larger numbers of pupils, subscriptions are available annually. The easiest way to shop is to register for a free account. This way, the shop page that will appear to you will correspond with the type of account you have created. For example, I am logged in as a parent, so the shop will show me subscriptions for small numbers of children. If I were logged in as a school, I would see much larger numbers available to buy. I'm going to choose a monthly recurring subscription for 1 pupil. Once I'm happy with my selection, I can click the green Pay Now button and I'll be asked to enter my name and address details. Do make sure that your name and address match the information on the card you will be using to purchase, or your transaction will fail. If you do choose a monthly payment plan, you will be asked to choose whether you would like the subscription to run indefinitely or until a date of your choosing. You will not be able to proceed with your purchase until you've made this choice, as we want you to feel confident you are in control of your subscription. You'll then be asked for your card details to complete the transaction. Once your order is complete, you'll be prompted to activate your pupil. We have tutorials that tell you all about activating pupils on our help pages. If I go to My Account, I can view my subscription under the My Subscriptions link in the sidebar. I can see my new subscription here. You can see any payments you have made to us under the My Invoices page, also in the sidebar. You'll see the order number, subscription number, date, product purchased, and a downloadable PDF for your records. You will also be emailed a copy of any invoices, so make sure you check your spam and junk folders if yours does not arrive. If you find you've purchased the wrong product and want to cancel a payment, we will happily process a refund for you. Get in touch with us via the Contact Us page. A link to this can be found at the bottom of every page. Fill in the contact form, tell us what you bought, what you intended to buy, and we will process your request as soon as possible. Please include your order number and date to help us.